Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to use just one name on Facebook by editing your name settings. First, go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon here, click on your profile icon, then settings and privacy, then click again settings. After that, click see more in account center, then click on your profile here. After that, click on your profile again, the Facebook account. If you have another account, don't not click on it. Here you can see the option name, click on it. Then you can see your first name, middle name and last name. Remove your last name or middle name if you want just a single name. After removing it, click on review change. Here again you can see the final name. Click on it, save changes. You may even need to put on your password if required, put on it. So by doing this and following these steps, you can keep a single name on your Facebook account. If this doesn't work, try using a VPN set to Indonesia or other regions where one name profiles are supported. That's it. Your name is now set. Thank you for watching. Hit and like, subscribe, and comment.